What's up guys, we are watching Sid Gaming and today we are going to talk about the PlayStation 5, how to fix a PS5 game error. Sometimes you have a games and you want to play and you get the error. So you must check the update of your game application, your application or a game is up to date or not. If the up to date, if not update, then you must go to update. If up to date it, then you just go back to the settings. Here you have a manage game content and delete, sorry, and here you have the library. You must you delete it and download it again if it you get the error again and again. So then you get back to settings and here you have a save data and applications. Here you download, delete, cloud storage, and save data. Here is the storage, go to the storage, and here you have the all application and games. uh, Save data, your gameplay is saved files. Here you just delete it, and again if you do this, then you have to delete your gameplay and saved all saved files. So that's how you can do it, fix it.